Are the ingredients in Quest Nutrition protein powder clean? Let's put this protein powder to the test to see if Quest is actually healthy. On today's episode of Live Lean TV, I'm doing a Quest protein powder review to determine if it passes our 4 healthy guidelines to follow when choosing a high quality protein powder. Welcome to Live Lean TV. I'm Brad Guthrow from LiveLeanTV.com. So since 2010, Quest Nutrition has emerged as a leading brand specializing in protein powders, protein bars, protein shakes, and protein chips to promote a healthier lifestyle. So over the years, we've received quite a few questions about Quest Nutrition ingredients, specifically if Quest Nutrition uses clean ingredients that are Live Lean approved. And to assess whether a protein powder is healthy, I did a video right here on the 4 healthy guidelines to follow when choosing a high quality protein powder. And these 4 healthy guidelines for protein powder included the type of protein, the percentage of protein based on weight per serving, the percentage of calories from protein, and the ingredients and sweeteners. So number 1, type of protein. So what type of protein is in Quest Nutrition? So the highest quality protein powder should come from a protein source with a complete amino acid profile and a high protein digestibility score. And according to the ingredients list, Quest Nutrition protein powder is a protein blend comprised of 60% whey protein isolate and 40% micellar casein. So the main advantage of this protein blend is whey protein isolate offers a rapid amino acid release for post-workout recovery, while the micellar casein provides a slower, sustained release of amino acids over a long period. However, the main drawback to this protein blend is it may not be as effective for immediate post-workout recovery compared to a whey protein isolate alone. And both are complete protein sources with all the 9 essential amino acids, as well as having a maximum protein digestibility score of 1.0, which measures how well your body is able to digest and utilize the protein. However, I would like to see Quest Nutrition be transparent by providing the amounts of each essential amino acid on their label. And since they didn't do this, we can't truly get the best understanding of the overall quality of the amino acid profile. So based on what we know, Quest Nutrition protein powder uses an approved type of protein. Number 2, percentage of protein based on weight per serving. So what percentage of protein is in a serving of Quest Nutrition protein powder? To do this, simply look at the nutrition facts label for the serving size in grams and the amount of protein in grams. The healthy goal is 70 to 90% of the weight should come from the weight of protein. So Quest protein powder percentage of protein based on weight per serving. So you have 24 grams of protein per serving based on a 31 gram scoop serving size. So to calculate that, you take 24 grams of protein per serving divided by 31 gram scoop serving size. That gives you 77% of the weight from protein. Approved. Number 3, percentage of calories from protein. So what percentage of calories come from protein in Quest Nutrition protein powder? So let's take a look at the nutrition facts label on Quest Nutrition's protein powder to calculate this. The healthy goal is 80% or more of calories should come from protein. So Quest protein powder nutrition facts per 31 gram serving size is 110 calories, 24 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates, and 0 grams of fat. So 24 grams of protein times 4 calories per gram of protein equals 96 protein calories. So you take that 96 protein calories divided by the 110 total calories, which equals 87% of calories from protein. Approved. Number 4, ingredients and sweeteners. So does Quest Nutrition protein powder actually contain clean ingredients? To determine if a protein powder is healthy, you need to examine the ingredients list to check the quality of the ingredients and the types of sweeteners used. Healthy goals: minimal ingredients that are clean, that use natural 0-calorie sweeteners such as stevia or monk fruit rather than artificial sweeteners. So let's take a look at Quest Nutrition's vanilla milkshake protein powder ingredients list. Number of ingredients: 9. So natural flavors refers to compounds derived from natural sources rather than synthetic chemicals to enhance the taste. Approved. Silicon dioxide, lecithin, cellulose, and carrageenan are anti-clumping, emulsifier, and thickening ingredients to improve the mixability and texture. Fortunately, small amounts has been shown to be safe, so it's approved. Sea salt is used to enhance flavor and add a touch of trace minerals for electrolyte balance. Approved. And sucralose and stevia are used in protein powder for 0-calorie sweeteners. Stevia is a natural plant-derived sweetener, so it's a pass. Sucralose is an artificial chemical that may have potential long-term health concerns, so it's a fail. So overall, the quality of the 9 ingredients is not too bad. However, the usage of the artificial sweetener sucralose negatively impacts the quality for me. And bonus, third-party tested. Is Quest Nutrition protein powder third-party tested? So third-party testing indicates that a supplement has been independently evaluated by an external organization to verify its quality, purity, and ingredient accuracy. This is usually indicated as a logo on the label. Unfortunately, Quest Nutrition protein powder is not listed as being third-party tested by NSF Certified for Sport, USP, Informed Sport, or Informed Choice. So due to the expense, not all companies can afford to pay or want to increase the price to account for the third-party testing. Therefore, if you do see these third-party testing logos on the packaging, consider it a bonus, but not a necessity. Quest Nutrition protein powder review for taste, mixability, and price. So now that we've reviewed Quest Nutrition protein powder based on our healthy guidelines, what does Quest Nutrition protein powder taste like? Does it mix well? And how is the price? So taste. Quest Nutrition vanilla milkshake protein powder tastes generally good. It has a creamy, sweet flavor that resembles a real vanilla milkshake. However, I do find it has a slightly artificial taste due to the sucralose and is a little too sweet for my liking. Mixability. When mixing Quest Nutrition vanilla milkshake protein powder with water or milk in a glass, it seems to have a smooth texture with little to no clumping. And price. So Quest Nutrition protein powder comes in 2 sizes. A 3-pound container of Quest Nutrition protein powder provides 43 servings of 24 grams of protein at a cost of $47.29. So the cost per 24 gram serving of protein, so you take the cost of $47.29 divided by 43 servings to give you a cost of $1.10 per serving. Now the cost per gram of protein, take the $47.29 cost divided by 43 servings times 24 grams per serving to give you a cost of 5 cents per gram. And a 1.6 pound container provides 23 servings of 24 grams of protein at a cost of $31.51. So the cost per 24 gram serving of protein, you take the $31.51 divided by 23 servings to give you a price of $1.37 per serving. And the cost per gram of protein, you take the $31.51 divided by 23 servings times 24 grams per serving at a cost of 6 cents per gram of protein. And the average price per serving of protein ranges typically from $1.50 to $3. So based on price, Quest Nutrition protein powder is an affordable option. Okay, final review. Overall, Quest Nutrition protein powder is suitable for occasional use. However, since I consume protein powder every day after my workouts, I wouldn't choose it as my daily option since it's sweetened with the artificial sweetener sucralose. I mean, I'm okay with occasionally consuming artificial sweeteners. However, I don't want to consume it daily. So when it comes to food, drinks, and supplements that I consume every day, I always opt for natural sweeteners such as stevia or monk fruit. So let me know in the comments, what's your favorite flavor of protein powder and how does it compare to Quest Nutrition's offerings? And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. If you're curious about the difference between grass-fed versus organic versus regular whey protein powder, check out this video right here comparing the differences. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.